Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of a product that has got really popular on the social media recently. So this is entitled as a Rima Solo Jet Boat. So this is basically a solo jet boat that is very much suitable for someone who want to go on board solely. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind this fancy ads. As you can see, this product has got really viral on the social media platforms, and they claim that almost 40,000 plus people have bought it just in the previous week. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy ads. As you can see, they're offering a 40% off site wide with deals to buy in urgency. So this is pretty much like a scamming tactic that people use. And apart from this, once I tried accessing their official website, I got to know that their official website is even not accessible and the store is not available. So this is a major red flag. Another concerning thing is, once I tried to find the reviews of the people about this product and this platform, I get to know that this product is pretty much a scam, and they have all the fake reviews and they're falsely advertising to a freshly registered domain. So in conclusion, I would say like this product is pretty much a scam, and you should avoid purchasing this and wasting your money. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.